Hi guys, do you want to find out how to find what's hot and what's not every single day? We use AI technology in my trading room every single day, and I produce a report every single day based off over 160 different data sources, and I have AI tools to do this, and I send this report into my trading room. But now you'll be able to subscribe and get this sent directly to your email box. It tells you what's gone on overnight, what the risk sentiment is, what's happened in the cash markets, what's happening economically overnight and in the trading day coming up. Gives you the top 3 best trades to go long and short, all according to over 100 different data sources. So if you want to see the report, have a little look now, and at the end I will show you how to get this to your inbox every single day. Cheers guys. Also, the opportunity to get hold of my free guide that's been downloaded a few hundred times already. It helps you get the best entry possible, and I'll show you at the end of the video how to get that free. Okay, well, this is the daily news and views generated from over 100 independent web sources every single day. Now, we have a market sentiment, whether the market is risk on or risk off. We look at the Northern European markets and then Asia Pacific markets, what's gone on overnight. We provide summary bullet points and further reading. We look at significant economic events, and then lastly we move over and look at the best buys and the best sells. The report shows cash close for Northern European sessions as well as the Northern America indices. It then goes on and gives you summary bullet points with little hyperlinks, all identified in blue, as you can see here. You just click onto those and it gives you deeper, in-depth information, so you can do a bit more reading if that gets your interest. Clicking on the links will open up, for instance, a website here for Reuters, which gives you a bit more depth into what you want to have a look at, and they're all executable. So further down you can see there's a lot more information that's in the report from an economic point of view, all clickable links, plus an economic summary of what's hot and what's not. And then, as you can see here, we now have the top buy recommendations and sell recommendations with target levels as well. These are selected and only selected as the top 3 if we can find 3 independent sources that all say the same. This will help you focus and apply your strategies without having to search for what's the 3 hot buys and the 3 hot sells for the day. Well, that's the report. And if you want to get it to your inbox, then just click the link below and you can get that. Also, if you want the 15-minute free entry guide, get that as well.